This Realty ONE Group Select property video is presented by Rhonda Carson. This stunning Palisades home just hit the market in Charlotte. This beautiful home features 5 bedrooms with walk-in closets, 4.5 bathrooms, and 3,400 square feet of living space. First floor features an open floor plan, with living room/study, dining room, family room with gas fireplace, high ceilings, tons of natural light, and HWD floors. The kitchen comes equipped with stainless steel appliances, wooden cabinets, granite countertops, and a beautiful bar and breakfast nook overlooking the patio. This gorgeous home boasts a downstairs bedroom suite with bathroom for the convenience of out-of-town guests or multi-generational living. Upstairs is 4 bedrooms, 3 full baths and a loft. During the summer, entertain in style on the expansive patio, or during the fall relax outside beside the built-in fireplace. Expansive corner lot has tons of parking. Located minutes from the Palisades, shopping, entertainment and interstate. It won't